What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with the S5. In the last video you see me wrap that front wing and I wasn't over keen on the colour. Put a poll on Instagram and basically it come back that nobody liked that colour. So I've ordered another sample. It's here right now. We're going to wrap that wing, but before we do that, I'm all about bringing neons back, and I told you this car was going to be a bit crazy. I told you we're going to light it up with like a Christmas tree through December. So that starts today. So I've ordered a neon kit off eBay for £25. I'm going to run it through the fog lights because I'm going to get the RS front bumper which deletes the fog lights. So I'm going to run it through there. Let's do it. Let's get set up. Let's bring neons back. Let's make it happen. So we're going to put the neons on and then we're going to wrap that front wing and see if we can finally be happy with the colour. As always guys, subscribe, like, comment. Let's make it happen. Appreciate everybody that has subscribed lately and everybody that has commented, and let's keep it moving. Let's go. Okay, so basically trying to kit, magic running chassis lamps, cheap and cheerful, £25 off eBay. What you get, 4 basic strands, LEDs, nice and easy. First thing I'm going to do is try and make them work. So told ya, I'm just going to run it off my fog lights, don't really care. Full send. This way I can plug my fog lights back in when I sell the car, and nobody knew it was there. So let's check if they work. Have the lights off there, right? Yeah. Nah, can't turn fog lights on. If you have your side lights on, then you turn them on. Apparently you can't have fog lights on your side lights. Sorry, I'm absolutely chatting nonsense. Right, so they work. That's the colour I wanted. Pretty bright, seem pretty decent to be honest. So now they work. Now I've got to work out how to put them under the car and how to organise them. So let's sort them out first and foremost. Right, so neons will work. Plugged in there, bit of a hack job, but easy to put back when you sell the car. So all I've got to do is just unplug those, peel off the neons. Never would have known. So George is in the background from my light detailing. This is a little van just here. So now I'm going to lay them out and try and get some form of order or thing. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've done this like 10 years ago, and they were like big tubes that you just run around the car. This is the new kid shit. So you have these 4 strands coming out of the box. I'm guessing that they weren't tangled when they came, but now they are, so it is what it is. Right, so I got them all untangled and all laid out. So now I'm going to jack the car up on this corner, fit the front one, because obviously that's easy. And then I need to find a way to run the side ones, and then the back one, that wire needs to be fed under the car to the back. So hassle. So I'm going to clean the all under the front and get that one done first. Let's do the front one first. Nice and easy. One down, 3 to go. So basically I just fed the wires through and the front bumper, tar and glued it, tar and glue removed it to make sure it was clean, put sticky tabs, tucked it under, done. So we have the front one done. Let's keep going. So at the moment, I've just got all of them running under the sun protector, the plastic cover. So I'm going to feed the back one through now as well. Then I'm going to make sure that they work, and then I'm going to find a way to cable tie them and secure them up out the way to fuel lines and no hot areas or any moving parts. So that's where we're at right now. I'm about to feed the last one through. Toolbox. I'm about to disconnect that fog. So neons are all on. I'm going to move the car back. I'll turn on the neons, show you kind of where I've done it, how I've done it, why I had to do the back a little bit different. And then I'm going to clean up, take 5 to myself, and I'm going to whack this wrap on the front wing. See if we like this colour so we can order some more. Loads still to come. Stay tuned. Subscribe as well, because this is only going to get better. So let's make this happen. Let's go. So, issues. That one had to go up the middle because it didn't stretch long enough. That one, no issues. The wires are run all along the seal. So the wires run along the seal and around, so that's fine. The front, they run along and then under the covers. So there's no kind of wires in the way or any wires that are going to get snagged on anything. But still need to sort out that front bumper. But we have it. Right, I'm going to clean up, peel this off and start wrapping it in the colour. Okay, and we're back for wrap number 2. So in the last video we wrapped this car, the front of this car, trying to find the right colour. So excuse the eyes, excuse the hair, it's been a long day. So I liked it, but it just wasn't kind of what I was going for. I wanted purple that had a bit of gold. This is gold that has a minute amount of purple. So let's peel this off and let's check the new colour. So the colour I really originally wanted for this car was obviously a purple. Now that's a purple. Could be too bright, might be a bit crazy, but we're going for it. So let's do it. Okay guys, so if you're enjoying this series on the S5, please do hit that subscribe button. But let's talk more action. Let's wrap.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on.
So you can see I messed up there. So I cut the arch out, or made the cut to cut the arch out, but I was too far over, so I had to peel it back up and lay it back down, which is something you never really want to do, but I had no choice. Obviously this is a sample piece. I'm trying to make it as nice as I can, obviously, so I can see what the finished color will look like, but I definitely made a mistake there. But that's part of learning how to do this. So let's have a little look. This wrap is better than the last one. It's definitely more the color that I wanted. The phone's not really picking up how purple it actually is, to be honest, but yeah, it's really purple. So things are going well. Obviously you can see we've got that top line all cut, shaped. Need to pop the bonnet and cut, tidy it up and heat up and tidy up the top. Bottom bit's pretty good as well. So let's crack on with the arch. Let's get this banged out so we can have a proper look at it. It's absolutely pitch black outside because it's about 8-9 o'clock. So be tomorrow. Be on Instagram what it looks like, to be honest. That's where I'm going to post a picture. So if you've got this far in the video and you want to see what it will look like in the daylight on the car, that'll be on Instagram. Okay guys, so that's it for this week's videos. We've got the neons. I think, you tell me what you think, that this is the new color for the car. Obviously you can see the neons behind me. So let's have a look at the done color with the neons on and you tell me if this color combo works. Bear in mind we're gonna have orange calipers. So let's have a look. Oh, I think that it looks quite blue. But it's mad purple. So yeah, corners are nice again. We've got a nice edge. I did a lot better this time. I need to tuck that a little bit more. I'm gonna lie, not perfect, not perfect. Little tuck there, and that's it. So yeah, you guys tell me what you think in the comments.